Welcome. My name is Rebecca, yoga instructor, and I'm putting together this series of tiny teaching tutorials. And I want to introduce you to some of the what we call the super poses. These poses are accessible really to everyone, and they have great benefits. So we're going to look at Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1, in this tiny teaching tutorial. I'll meet you over on your sticky mat. So find the center of your mat, or about the center of your mat. Step your right foot forward and your left foot back. The space between your feet is about 1.5 feet or 2 feet. The back foot, you want that foot at about a 30-degree angle. Now the feet do not have to be lined up on a balance beam. You can have it more like railroad tracks. Okay, so I start with my legs straight, my arms are down to my sides. And on my inhale, I'll bend through my front knee and sweep my arms up, palms facing one another. On my exhale, I straighten the front leg and let my arms come down to the sides. Inhale to bend through the front knee and sweep the arms up, palms facing one another. And exhale, let your arms float down to the sides as you straighten the front leg. Now we're going for really sensing and feeling that we have equal weight in both feet. You don't have to have a deep bend in the front knee, although you could take your stance a little wider, but it's not necessary. So again, starting with your arms to your sides, bend through the front knee, sweep the arms up, palms face one another. Exhale, straighten the front knee and let the arms float down. Now we'll add a little variation to the pose, okay? So we're gonna bend through the front knee now, open the arms out to the sides and point your thumbs back like you're hitchhiking on both sides of the road, okay? That's your inhale. On your exhale, you'll straighten the front leg and bring your hands together in front of you. Take a little bow or your chin towards your sternum, towards your chest. Inhale, open the arms up, reach the hands back, thumbs back like you're hitchhiking, bend through the front knee. Exhale, straighten the front leg, round your back slightly and bring your hands together in front of you. Okay, good. Then the next time you open your arms out to the side with the thumbs back, go ahead and sweep the hands up again. Palms touch or face one another or touch. And then on your exhale, straighten your front leg, press the palms out and let your arms float down to the sides. Hinge forward slightly, step forward, and come back to a standing Tadasana, which is just equal standing on both feet. Okay, we'll take the other side now. So left foot forward and right foot back. Turn that back foot about 30 degrees. Start with the legs straight, arms down to your sides. Inhale, sweep the arms up, hands together. Exhale, straighten the front leg and float the arms down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Remember, we're going for equal weight on both feet. Doesn't have to be a deep bend in the knee, but if you wanted to open up your stance a little bit more, you could. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. The next time you inhale, bend through the front knee, open the arms out. Arms are in a T, but the thumbs are pointing back like you're gonna hitchhike on both sides of the road. Okay, on your exhale, straighten the front leg, round slightly, and bring your hands together. Now, if you've got a big wide stance, the balance might be a little trickier. So you can play with how close you want your feet to be together. The next time you bring your arms out to the sides, thumbs back, sweep the hands up again, palms face one another or touch, and then turn the palms out on your exhale, float the hands down, straighten the front leg. Bend through your front leg slightly, pitch forward, step forward, find Tadasana, even standing. Namaste.